So good morning and welcome to Wilsonville Public Library Storytime. My name is Brad.
And my name is Joe.
We're all very excited you guys have joined us today.
Yeah.
And our stories today, it is Rainy Day Storytime. Have you guys seen any rain yet? Yeah? Oh yeah, good. We're right on time then. We're right on time. Let's get started with our welcome song. Do you guys remember how we start? Yeah. What do you guys do? You start with, yes, some waving. Can you all wave
They
your
got
hands?
it, Brad.
Great job. You keep waving and we will all sing together. Here we go. Wave, 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 waving happily. But we'll stop waving while we count to 3.
Okay, for 3. I think the rain is starting. So we're going to have the rain drop 3 times on our head. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good
Very
job.
good,
Yeah.
very good. All right, take your hands and clap along with the song. Great job. You can clap and sing. Clap, 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 clapping even more. But we'll stop clapping while we count to 4.
All right, Brad, because that rain's starting. Let's grab our rain hat. And we want to make sure that we get it on really well. So let's put it on 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's do those rain hats on.
Okay, stand up on your feet with us. We're gonna do some stomping really quick. Let's see. Here we go. Stomp, 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 stomping really quick. But we'll stop stomping while we count to 6. We got some good stompers over here.
We really do. So for 6, I'm glad we have our hats on securely because here comes the wind. So we're going to do 6 wind gusts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job.
Excellent.
Very windy.
Okay, while we're up on our feet, let's do some jumping up and down. Here we go. Jump, 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 jump. Jumping is so great. But we'll stop jumping while we count to 8.
8. Okay, let's put on rain boots. 8. And we're going to jump in the mud puddles 8 times. Here
Big
we
splashes.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, take your hands, make a book, and we'll have a seat and get ready to read together. Here we go. Read, 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 reading once again. And we'll be ready once we count to 10.
All right, my friends, really quietly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Give yourselves a quiet little clap. I think they're ready.
Okay. Our first story today doesn't actually have a book, but it's one that we really enjoy sharing because this is something, if you pay attention, maybe you watch this back again later, or you can find out how to do it online. You can tell this paper folding story yourself.
Yep.
Okay? We call it One Rainy Day. So, should we go outside and play?
Yeah, let's
you want to go outside and play?
I've been wanting to go outside,
Oh,
so let's go.
I know. Yeah, we should. We should get out there.
Yeah.
Wait.
What was that?
What was that?
Hark?
It's raining outside.
Oh.
It's
raining outside. Oh, well.
Oh, what can we do?
I
There's
don't
nothing
know.
to do.
I know.
It's so boring.
Yeah. Wait. Sorry. What?
What?
There's paper on the table.
There's some paper on the table.
Paper. What are we supposed to do
well,
with? What are we supposed to do with
I like the
paper?
color. I don't know.
Oh, I've got an idea. I know. We fold like
so
this.
fold it. Okay.
And fold like that.
Okay, we're kind of making a triangle.
And then this way.
Oh, I think I know what you're doing.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see whose flies the furthest.
Yeah,
Okay.
you got it.
Are you
okay,
ready?
here we go.
1, 2.
No airplanes in the house.
Oh, no airplanes in the house.
Oh, come on. Well, what can we do with this then?
I don't know.
If,
Let's make a tie.
yeah, what? Yeah, ooh, that's an interesting idea. Let's see. Maybe I could fold it this way.
Okay, holding this up, all right.
Up across. Well, boomerang. Do you know how to make a paper
Wow.
boomerang and paper kites? You guys are gonna have to give us lessons. Okay. And then this other side, we'll do the same
I'm
thing.
having a little trouble here, Brad. Okay, okay.
No
I'm
worries.
catching up.
Take your time.
All right.
It's the fun of paper folding
All right.
is learning to be a little patient.
Okay.
Just the
I
right
think I
amount.
got it.
There
Oh,
you
what
go.
are you doing there?
You lift it up like that. And like now we got a big rain hat.
Wow!
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah, we could totally go outside and play.
in the rain.
Right?
Yeah.
This will protect us. Yeah. Oh. What is that?
What?
Do you hear that?
What is that?
A fire truck. Oh.
What?
Hey. Wait, watch this. I always wanted to be a fireman. Take it like that.
Like
Yeah,
that?
mhm.
Okay.
And then fold up from the bottom on this side.
Okay.
All right. And then
What do you have?
like that.
Oh, okay.
And I've got a fireman's hat.
I've got a fire truck hat too. Let's put the fire out, Brad.
Put out the fire! Oh no! Oh no! It's on fire! Oh
Whew, put out the fire.
no! Man,
Yeah.
got a little wet. We're not even outside in the rain. Huh. Do you know what else I always wanted to be, though?
I have no idea,
Yes.
Brad.
I always wanted.
What are you doing? Oh,
Now
hold
fold
it
up
up.
the other side.
Okay.
I always wanted to sail on a ship.
Oh, yeah. Yo,
Sailing, sailing over the sun to sea. Walk the plank.
Oh, but we need a boat to walk the plank.
I mean, that's true. We would need a boat. You think a fireboat? Ooh, that'd be a cool kind of boat. Let's see.
So how did you do that?
Just take those top things and just fold it out. And yeah, just like.
Hold on, Brad.
Yeah,
Hold
I
on,
mean-
Brad. You're way ahead of me.
No, that's mine's kind there we go. There.
So
okay.
what did you do?
Just pull out here. So you had this. You had this hat. Remember?
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
And then you
right.
take
Yeah,
these
yeah.
corners
Okay. Well, thank you.
and gently pull
And
out.
gently pull out.
So you can try and get a wide, straight boat.
Hey,
Just like that.
Almost a boat.
Now we can go sailing. Pretty cool. We could have a big, nice little mast here, like a sailboat. Yeah. Or
Okay, I'm almost there, Brad. Okay.
you know, it's okay if it doesn't turn out perfectly because I think we could play.
right,
We could
right.
play Battleship.
Battleship. All right.
C for.
Oh, Brad. Well, there goes my boat.
I got you.
Hey.
It's a hit.
Who can play at this game?
What?
B7.
No! Oh no! You
Ha, ha.
sunk my battleship! Ah. Ramming speed.
Ramming speed. Here we go. That's more of our ships. All right.
Oh, it's got another hole.
Oh, yeah.
We're going down.
Oh, I see an iceberg in the distance.
Oh, no, iceberg. No,
Yeah, maybe.
Don't. Watch out for the iceberg.
Yep.
Don't hit. Oh, no.
Brad!
I'm flying.
Brad!
Oh,
Oh, there it goes.
we're going down.
Grab on to the door, Brad! Grab on to the door!
Never let go.
Never
Joe.
let go!
Oh.
Bye bye.
That was fun.
Yeah.
But
Boy.
I think we messed up our paper, though.
I think so. Well,
We still don't have.
hey!
Wait a minute.
Look at this!
Hey!
It's a shirt.
Now we can go outside and play because we've got raincoats. The end.
How did you do that?
And that's one rainy day.
How did you do that?
One fold at a time. Good question. We're gonna have you guys stand up on your feet with us so that we can do a rainy song together. Now I know we are in Oregon, and we don't tend to use umbrellas around here. You just kind of turtle and then you just go like you're a little turtle. That's how you do it. You flip up your hood, right? Okay. But we do have a fun song about a leaky umbrella. So if you listen careful, I'm gonna turn this up.
I have a leaky umbrella,
Get your leaky umbrella
all
out.
full of holes. I have a leaky
open it up,
umbrella,
your umbrella.
all full of holes.
Hold it over your
That
head.
umbrella
I have a
out.
leaky umbrella, leaky as can be.
Uh-oh, it's feeling kind of
it's
Well, that
wet.
leaky umbrella will be the end
Uh-oh, it's
of
gonna
me.
drip on us? Can you make drips?
The rain is drip, dripping on my head.
Head on your head?
The
Where else?
rain is dripping on my
on
nose.
my nose. You drip
The
your
rain
nose?
is dripping on my shoulders.
Shoulders. Where are
shoulders.
those?
Well, that leaky
Yeah,
umbrella will
good
be
job.
the end of me.
All right, let's see. If we are a leaky umbrella,
Huh.
we need something else.
I have a
What
leaky
else?
raincoat,
raincoat.
all full of
okay.
You
holes.
put on your raincoat. One arm.
I have a leaky raincoat,
and the other
all
arm.
full of
Good.
holes.
Make sure you zip it up and.
I have a leaky raincoat, leaky as can
Oh,
be.
it's leaking.
It's very
Well, that
wet.
leaky
Very
raincoat
wet.
will be the
Leaking.
end of me.
Where's it dripping now?
The rain is dripping on my
drip
arm.
on your arms. Can you
The
do
rain
that?
is dripping on my stomach.
Your stomach. Where's
The
your
rain
stomach?
is dripping on my knees.
Oh, on your knees.
Well, that leaky raincoat will be the end of
Goodness.
me.
Getting so wet with our umbrella.
I have leaky boots, all full of holes.
Yeah, put some boots on. That's good.
I have
Slide 'em
leaky
in. Make
boots,
sure they're pulled up.
all full of
Slide them
holes.
in. Make sure they're on tight.
I have leaky boots,
good.
leaky
Kind of
as
feeling
can be.
squishy.
Yeah, leaky boots.
Well, those leaky boots will be the end of me.
Uh-oh. Where's
The
it
rain
dripping?
is dripping on my
Can you
toes.
touch your toes?
The rain is dripping on my ankles.
Your ankles. Do you know where
The
your
rain
ankles
is
are? Right next to your feet.
dripping on my feet.
On your feet.
Well, those leaky boots will be the
Get
end
rid of
of
those boots.
me.
We don't need any leaky boots.
Well, that leaky raincoat will
yeah,
be the
take
end
that
of
leaky
me.
raincoat off.
Well, that leaky umbrella
And your
will be
leaky
the end of me.
Umbrella.
There you go. Great job, everybody.
Okay, everybody reach up high. Touch the sky. Everybody reach down low. Touch the ground. Everybody stand up. Turn around. And sit back down. And we'll have you scooch right here so that we won't run into anybody. All right?
And you'll want to probably face up here because
We have another story.
we do. We are very excited to share this book with you. Storm is Coming. I'll go get ready. You
All
tell
right, all right. It is by Heather Tekavec, and it's illustrated by Margaret Spangler. It's a farm setting with some animals. I just heard some news on the radio. I better go tell the animals. Hey, dog! Dog, wake up! Dog, there is a storm coming. So you need to get all the other animals, put them in the barn so they're safe. Storm's a-coming.
Storm's coming. Storm's coming. Storm's coming. Storm's coming. Storm's coming. Ow, dog. What's all the racket about? Storm is coming. Well, who's Storm? I don't know, but he must be very big.
Quack, 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 storm is coming, storm is coming!
Oh, Duck?
Yeah.
Duck, who is Storm?
I don't know, but he must be very mean.
No, Storm is coming. Cow, who is Storm?
Oh, well, I don't know. But he must be very scary. Ooh.
You all wake me when Storm gets here. Good night.
I can't believe Cat is sleeping through all this, because doesn't Cat know storm is coming? Storm is coming, big and scary and mean. Oh, it just makes me so scared.
Oh, I'm scared too. Oh.
No worries. We just need a lookout. Duck, you get up to the window and tell us what you see.
All right, here I go. Okay, let me, all right, okay, all right.
Well, what do you see, Duck?
No storm, but the sky is getting dark.
Oh no, not dark. Oh.
No. Dark is good. Yeah, dark is good. Storm can't find us in the dark.
Oh, that is good.
Okay, Duck, what else do you see?
No storm, but the wind is blowing.
Oh no, not wind. Oh no.
No, wind is good. Wind will blow storm away.
Oh, that is good. Oh.
Okay, Duck, what else do you see?
Let's see. No storm, but it's starting to rain.
Oh no, not rain.
No, rain is good. Rain will wash away our tracks, so storm can't find us.
Oh, that is good.
Okay, Duck, what else do you see?
No storm, but there is light flashing in the sky.
Oh no, not lightning, no.
No, lightning is good. It will blind storm so they can't see us.
Oh, that is good. Oh.
Yeah, Duck, what else do you see?
No storm, but I do hear a rumbling sound.
Oh no, oh, not thunder. Oh.
No, thunder is good. The clouds are just trying to scare storm away.
Oh, that is good.
Anything else, Duck?
No storm, but suddenly it's quiet out there, and the sun is coming out.
Oh. Do you hear that?
Oh
no! Oh no! Oh, I hear him coming. That must be Storm. Storm is coming at last. Oh no!
It's not coming.
Hey, animals! It's okay. Storm has gone away. You can come out and play now.
Oh, oh, oh.
Well, did I miss anything?
Nope. Nope. Storm never came. The dark and the wind and the rain and the thunder and lightning must have scared Storm away.
No, that was a storm.
The end.
Did you guys see a storm?
Yes. No, yes. It was the wind.
Was it
How did
big
you-
and mean?
But the animals didn't see any storm.
No,
No, wild. Okay. Well, that is just about all that we have time for today. So we're going to get ready and sing our goodbye song. When we are done, just outside the door into the children's room, there are lots of awesome books if you want to look at for checking out on today's topic. And
Deidre has a little rainstorm craft for you to make today, too, out there.
yes, over at the tables you can do that. Go ahead and stand up on your feet with us. We're going to get ready to sing our goodbye song, so you can get your see you later alligators going and follow along with Joe for the motions. Here we go. See you later, alligator, when your legs are on straighter. After a while, crocodile, when you're wearing a smile. Pretty soon, baboon, we're gonna fly off to the moon and say, toodaloo, kangaroo. It's been so nice being with you. It's been so nice being with you.
Thanks, everybody, for a great story time.